Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are using an Audio Technica turntable and you can't adjust its volume, here is the key thing. The volume isn't controlled on the turntable itself. So here is how you can fix it quickly in 2026. So most of the Audio Technica turntable do not have a volume knob. They only send an audio signal so that the volume is controlled by the connected devices. So you need to simply go to your power speaker or amplifier and then use the volume knob or remote on that device in order to increase or decrease the sound, and that's where the real control happens. Afterwards, you need to check the switch on the back of your turntable. You can use line when connecting directly to the speaker, or you can use phono when you are using an external preamp or receiver. The wrong settings is equal to very low or distorted sound, so you need to make sure that you are setting it correctly. Also, you need to make sure that your RCA cables are firmly connected, because the loose or incorrect connections can also reduce the volume or it can cause no sound at all. After that, once you have set it up correctly, make sure that you also adjust the bass, the treble and the balance on your speaker system for better audio. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.